Hello, welcome to my Sonder Farm. Today I'm going to be opening this haul. This is my haul I ordered for the week. And the first thing I have is this box right here. It's kind of bulky. So let's see what's in it. Just a big, bulky box. Try to get some scissors out. And it's just toilet paper, I think. Yep, just toilet paper. This is lavender scented toilet paper. Ooh, it smells really good. It's like flowers. And then I have these boxes. Let's see, there's 3 here. And let's see what's inside of them. So here looks like I have a cake. Ooh. This is a panettone cake. As you can see, it's kind of ripped in the front. This is a pistachio one. It was like under $6. So it looks really cute. Of course, I have my celebration cake. So if you want to like, comment, share, and subscribe, go ahead and do so. And we'll celebrate another milestone together. And here I have buttercream frosting. This is whipped buttercream frosting. And this one was only under $2. So this was a good deal. I think both of them were like $8 rounded up. So that's really good deal. And the next box is this one. It's pretty much the same size. Looks like cleaning supplies. So I bought quite a number of spices. I bought allspice and this cinnamon powder. The cinnamon powder was like under $2.50 and it was a really good deal. And this allspice was under $2. So I lucked out on those. And let's see what else in here. I have this cleaner. This is restroom cleaner. It's hibiscus and mango scented. It smells really good. And this is Lysol Brand New Day. So I really like this one. When I first moved in, I used to use this and it really took like the new apartment smell out and kind of filled it with like a really great scent. And so I went and bought it again because I really like the smell. It really makes me feel like, I don't know, like my home's like really clean. So I don't know if you guys are like that. You don't like the chemical smells. And I recently bought one that had a chemical smell, so I didn't use that. I used something else, and then I was like, well, let me buy this one because like I accidentally bought one with a chemical smell. So now I just kind of use that one for polishing. And this is Dr. Teal's. I love my baths. I don't know if you guys know that, but I love taking an Epsom salt bath. And this one is a hemp seed oil with bergamot. And I think it's got, yeah, bergamot, thyme, essential oils. So this one's really nice. It doesn't have a strong odor at all. And of course, you know, everybody likes a relaxing bath. And this to me is like it's a foaming bath, so it's kind of like a bubble bath. And I was using the salts, but I thought this time I would spoil myself and buy the actual bubble bath. So that's what's in that box. And then I have 2 packages. And I want to open these packages up. I think this is groceries too. Let's see. Yeah. So this is some more spices, and I bought, let's see, aniseed. This is aniseed, and these are pretty inexpensive because there's like small packages, so you could just pick up something for like under $3 easily. And in this size, this capacity, I don't really cook a lot, like for a lot of people, so I think this is pretty good, especially if I'm just treating myself to something like a recipe that I just wanted to try. So I got this aniseed, and then I got another pack of Vienna sausages because I was snacking on them all last week, and I ate them up real fast. But this is really good. Like if you want to add protein to your diet, this is really inexpensive. It was under $5. It's a 6-pack, and like I said, I like to snack on these. And also I add them to my meals. If you like my recipes, you can check them out. I do use this quite a bit. Let's see. And this package, I'm not sure what this is. Let's see. Oh, so it's a pack of tops and a pack of shorts. So I want to see what those look like on. It's just I bought matching tops and bottoms, so I have green, pink, and blue, and then I have matching coordinated black with the blue, green with the green, and then I have one more coming tomorrow. So there's that. And then last but not least, I have this box right here. Let's see what's in it. All right, so this is my groceries, and I have here a can of tamales. This is canned tamales. I believe they're wrapped in paper. I think it says, I'm not sure. Yeah, they're wrapped in paper. So it has directions on how to heat them up. I think you just remove the paper and heat them in a pan. But I want to try these. And then I have a can of Wolf Brand chili. This is with beans. And of course I have my favorite cookies, Maria's cookies. This is Goya brand. I really like this brand of cookies. And I have Parmesan cheese. This is Amazon Happy Belly brand Parmesan cheese. It's under $3, so I really like that deal. And I eat this cheese, like I always tell you guys, I eat this cheese with everything because it has shelf life in it, and I really believe in using the ingredients available to me, you know, throughout my entire, you know, pantry or diet, you know. So I utilize this in quite a lot of my recipes as well. And pizza crust mix. I have another pizza crust mix, and this is a just add water pizza crust dough. So it says it makes one 12-inch crust. And this apple cinnamon oatmeal, this is under $3, I believe. Well, that's the price I got it. And then it's just packs of about 10 packs of bowls of oatmeal. My breakfast, I love this for breakfast. And my crackers, this was under $1.50, so I think this is 4 packs of saltine crackers. And this, I love soups and ramen. I love my crackers with my meals, and it's snack time, so I bought this one. And that's it for my haul. So that's it for my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul today, and I really like my purchases. So continue subscribing so we can hit that milestone together and celebrate. Till next time, I'll see you guys again soon on my Sunday front. Bye bye.